Hi guys, welcome back to my studio. This is Art by Julie E. I am Julie E, and today we are going to be doing some mix bloom swipes on a couple of tiles, and I'm using a CA made with school glue pouring medium, and these are the colors that I've mixed up. There's some TLPs there and some tube paints, one little custom color that I mixed together. And yeah, let's have some fun. We're on milliliters. Oh, I got 6. Okay, there we go. 10. 10 milliliters. I'm only going to add this. 10 at a time. Okay, so let's see, where are we at? Okay, 17. 3 more. Close enough. Okay. I'm just going to give it a little swooshy, get it nice and creamy again. Go. All right, and then, so we want to get this up to 40 milliliters. We're at 20 right now. Okay, 36. Oh, so close. There we go, 41, close enough. All right. There we go. Tiny little mound. No real visible trace. Look at that little snap wiggle. A nice little bounce to it. Nice little snap. Watch it drizzle, 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 drizzle. It'll break and it'll bounce back up. Right back up to the spoon. And that's what we want to see. Boing. Yep. Okay, this one. This is the one we want. A little bit down there. There we go. Ooh, wonderful. All right, this table has never been level. It's got a little bit of a warp in it, so I apologize when stuff starts going off the edges. All right, there we go. There's a little bit more. Okay, and let's do the reflex. No. Let's do the turquoise and the prism. And where's the watermelon? There's the watermelon. That's a pretty color. I like that. Alright, more baby spoons. I need more baby spoons. There. Alright, let's do watermelon first. There we go. Then we'll do the turquoise. And what is this one? Is this one Prism Violet? Watermelon? Yeah, this one is Prism Violet. You know what? I need some submarine in this too. I need some submarine. Oh, what was that? There we go. Get mine a little bit more over there. There we go. All right, and now we will try. There we go. All right, hold my ponytail. Somebody hold my hair for me. There we go. I can't do this and hold my ponytail at the same time. If it goes in, right? Okay, I'm gonna let that sit for a second. Some pretty reactions, but nothing really in the center. I'm gonna have to puff on that a little bit more. All right, let me get a paper towel, wipe my hands. Hopefully you are still in shot. While we wait for this one, I'm gonna go my hands again. Oh, my hands are getting dirty. All right, I'm gonna wait for that one. Let's do a little swipey on this one. Let me grab a palette knife. Cutesy little palette knife. We'll see how it swipes. Why is there a bubble in the paper? All right, there we are. Hopefully you're still in frame. I'm loving these colors together. All right, here we go. There. Yeah, this bottle's making me mad. Okay, and yeah, I'm gonna do the same thing again. I'm gonna put some watermelon over here. And let's go with the violet next. There. And some turquoise here. And some submarine here. That way if we get any green, it's totally cool. Let's do a little bit over here too, just in case we want to get some oranges. Uh-oh, that might give me a little brown. I don't know. We'll find out, won't we? Okay, putting that on there. There we go. And here we go. Ooh, pretty, pretty. Oh, I'm loving it. Okay, well that cells up. I'm gonna give it a little bit of a push this way. Run, run, run. All right, I'm gonna puff, puff, puff on this one. Hopefully it'll kind of do something. I hope. All right. All right. That one's really, I must have put too much in the center. Probably what I did. I wonder if we can dap it out. Oh, that was a boo-boo. Spoon dips. How pretty are those? Okay. This is all going to end up disappearing, isn't it? Yeah. I'm out of practice, y'all. So out of practice. All right. Let's go ahead. Start stretching it that way. Yeah, my center's so messed up. Looking for the proper term. There we go. Now, do I have enough to stretch that ickiness off the edge? Will it go? Will it go? Will it go? Will it go? Come on. Come on. Oh, I'm I'm getting so greedy by trying to get all of that off of there, aren't I? Oh. Yes, I am. Okay, I'm going to be... still want it off. I can try for another one. We'll try for another one, but so far it's working. The Cell Activator is working, and that is the 1 part Amsterdam Oxide Black, the 3 parts Elmer School Blue pouring medium. Kind of lost my watermelon, but okay. Back down this way. Don't want to lose all my submarine, but I'm probably going to. I'm going to stretch that out that way. Back. Go around. Down. Oh, yeah, I'm digging that. I'm digging it and I'm leaving it. Except for that spot right there. There. I think those are cool. Should I redo this one? I kind of want to redo this one. I do. Alright, let me wash my hands. We'll redo that one. Okay, we're going to redo this one. Just why not? Alright. A little bit there. Doesn't take much. And let's see. I'm going to do a swipe again. I'm going to do a swipe again. I liked how that first swipe came out. Alright, we'll do yellow this time. Then we'll do the watermelon, because that got lost in the last one. And then we'll do turquoise. Turquoise deep. And prism violet. Alright. Now. Okay, here we go. Yeah, they're pretty. They are pretty. Give it a second to do its magic. Okay, I think what's up has come up. Go ahead and start this side, the outside. Those big old boulder ones. Yum. And I'm losing it again. I'm not tilting well today. For some odd reason. I should have brought my spinner up here. I should have. I really want to stretch out those purple and blue ones. Oh my god, are they gorgeous. Come on, get off that corner. There we go. Okay, now back. Go down this corner. So afraid I'm going to drop it. Which I have done before. Okay. Come on. There we go. Then walk it right over. Okay, and I'm leaving that there. Calling it a day. The Cell Activator works, so I will see you next time on a bigger canvas. Okay, sorry for the glare. Hopefully it's not too bad, but here they are. I think they kind of got lost where you were up in your little stand, but I'm loving them. I am loving them. Oops, there we go. Aren't they cute? So cute and pretty. Okay, we'll check on them when they're dry. Here they are, all pretty and dry, and they've got some spray varnish on them before I go ahead and resin them and cork the backs. But I want to remind you, please check out the other artists in the premiere trains today. I will have all of their channel and video links in my description, so you can go check that out. Also, please like, share, and subscribe this video so that others can see it and learn the magic of school glue pouring medium as a cell activator. Yeah, I'm cheap. I'm cheap, and I love this stuff. I don't want to have to buy Aussie Floetrol. So there you go, and I'll see you next time, and we'll try this on a larger canvas. So until then, loves and hugs, y'all. Bye.